awesome. So, you're going to get started?
Yeah.
How are you feeling at the moment?
Sore.
Got a sore wrist? And a sore ankle? You can take your foot down off the table. I don't think you'll be able to make much slime with that. Do you want any help getting into that, or are you okay? I think you might need some help. Okay? Ah, you're a star, aren't you? Now, has it got any instructions there?
No, we're just thinking to put this one in, then the glue.
Well, I'll have a quick check. Show me what's in the actual pack. Take all the bits out. And show everybody.
There is.
Oh, is there some?
It says put glue in.
Does it? Well, can you show the guys all the bits?
Glue activator and then glitter.
Will you pass me the instructions and show all the guys what's in the kit?
So first you do this. You put the glue in.
Glue.
Then you put the activator in. Then you need to use that much.
All right. Okay. And then.
Glitter.
And we've also got what have you got some other glitter there as well, Vivienne, in case you want to make some of a different colour?
Yes.
We've got some like multicoloured glitter there as well, because we like glitter, don't we? Oh, is it a bit hot in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, first of all, you've got to pour some of the glue, not all of it, some of the glue.
How much?
Well, I'll give it 3 squeezes. It says 3 parts glue on here, so I'll give it 3 squeezes.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay. Then add any extras, so like glitter, confetti, anything like that.
I just want.
No, you don't put that in yet. You've got to put. It says you've got to put the glitter in first.
How much for the glitter?
Just a sprinkle.
1 sprinkle?
Yeah. Do you want me to help with your hand being sore?
No.
Well, don't use your teeth.
Fine. It's edible glitter.
Okay, now pour a little bit in. Not a great deal, just a little bit.
I'll put it in.
You put it in?
No, I'll put it in.
Ah. And then pour that in. Yeah. And then add in...
Activator.
Only a little bit though, because you only had a little bit of glue, didn't you? So... Is it coming out, or do you need some help? I think you might need to take the top off. Actually, I'm just going to move this glitter over here, because I can see it going everywhere.
How?
Because I know you. Right. Do you need me to undo it at all, or are you okay? I think you need a bit of help with that, don't you? No, you don't bite it. Come here. Let Mum help. Thank you. Oh, it'll be one moment. You can either squeeze it straight into the tub, or you can do what Vivienne's doing and squeeze a little bit into her little lid.
Where did you get it from?
What?
This one.
The lid?
No, where did you get this from?
Oh, it was from the range. Now, get your spoon.
What was it?
Well, it was on there. It looks like it has gone missing. Go and get a spoon at the kitchen. Oh no, here it is. Found it.
Why is it there? I'm spinning. It's so hot, so I have to do this.
Okay, so give it a twist then.
Twist. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, twist, twist. Oh no, I think I've put too much activator in it. Which hand is this? Right.
That's your left hand. I was trying to think which way around it was then.
Right.
So maybe next time put a bit more in, because although how good that is, it's not really a great deal, is it?
No,
Does it feel nice and slimy?
Yes. I want to put a bit more glue.
Right, so go with the glue first.
So put a bit of the glue. One skirt. Screw it now.
A little bit of glitter. Ooh, yeah, and then now some of the activator.
Activate it. I think I've got enough activator.
Okay.
So I'm just putting that in.
And then give it a stir with the spoon.
I'm saying ow.
Because of your sore hand.
And my foot.
You're not using your foot though, are you?
What?
You're not using your foot. Is it nice and gooey?
Yes. I did this a couple of days ago and then my foot today.
I know, and considering we're on lockdown, you know.
What?
I said considering we're on lockdown.
What does lockdown mean?
We're not really allowed to go any places.
Daddy went somewhere.
Daddy went to the shop. You're allowed to go to the shop.
Why?
Just need to get some food.
And you're allowed to go outside.
For a walk, and you're allowed to go in your own garden. Okay. Right, so you're going to pick it up and give it a stretch. See what it's like. What's it like?
It's stretchy.
Stretchy.
We're at school. I'm homeschooled.
At the moment you are, yeah.
Why?
We've all got to be homeschooled at the moment.
Because,
So have you enjoyed playing that?
yeah.
Do you think it's good? It's like a science lesson, isn't it?
Yeah, because this is science.
Yeah, making...
Because we're at school now.
Yeah. So, would you give it a thumbs up? Would you give that Nickelodeon slime kit a thumbs up? What out of 10 would you give it? 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. What do you reckon?
I think it would be like about 5 because 5 and 5 is 10.
What would you want to make it better? What do you think it could do to make it better?
I think there would a bigger container like and then bigger activator and bigger glitter.
So maybe give it a 7 or something instead.
Yes.
A bit more. 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, what does everyone need to do? Give you a
Thumbs up.
hit the notifications
And slime that bell.
and slime scribe.
Slime subscribe.
Bye.
Peace.